So, to stuff our chicken, all we're going to do after we then pat it dry is find a little small spot underneath the layer of skin here. Wish I could because I'm holding the camera, but you just gonna make a little small insert here, and then that's when we're going to take a tablespoonful or so of the cream cheese spread. We're going to put it underneath. We're going to level it out so that way it doesn't look too lumpy, because when we bake it, it's actually going to wilt down. And we're going to do that for both of them, okay? So I'll show you. Okay, so I've already found my insert, but you pretty much just go up underneath like this, and you find a little spot such as, and you may have to put your finger in there just to kind of like loosen up the skin a bit, because this is where we're going to be putting the cream cheese. See? Hello, it's me. Alright, so then you use the back side of your spoon to kind of like smooth out the surface. Because as you can see, you can't even really tell that it's stuck just yet. That way it kind of keeps it from looking lumpy. You know, presentation is everything. Let me just put this on top. Nice generous amounts. This is going to crust up beautifully, especially if so happens you were to pat the skin dry, because that's what we're looking for. If so happens you don't have that result at the end, you can always use your broiler for maybe like, 3-4 minutes. Don't walk away from it. It's not like the oven, but you can definitely use that to be able to give you that crispy top. Alright, so for tonight, I'm going to use this shortcut. I saw it in the store. I thought it looked pretty cool. But we're going to add a couple of different things to this because I've never tried it. So we're going to use this, and we're going to also use the streusel topping that's inside of this. But I'm also going to add in some of my chai sultry spice and my autumn flare sultry spice. And we are going to crush some of these on top. Oh yeah. No, I'm getting low. If I had some vanilla bean left, I would so put this in here instead of that. Now for the ones that have time on hump day, if you wanted to use my recipe, my steps in my soul food casserole video to make this from scratch, you can. Or you can just boil you maybe like 1 or 2 sweet potatoes, okay, and don't mush them until they mashed like mashed potatoes. Leave a little lumpiness in there. That's going to go perfect with the texture of the cookies and the crumble on the top. And then just adding your autumn flare, your sultry spice, etc., all those other type things to make it your own, and put it in the oven with everything else.
Went to meet Courtney. I just wanted her to see the catfish.
So Courtney and Savannah get to trash and tear Alicia. She says, child, she wanted you out before. Bow. Bow. Let's take a sneak peek.